Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. We got video 52 here for you. We got our earnings for the day. Came in about about an hour or so ago. Just got to it here. Here's a notification bell. As you see, it was a pretty decent day here, guys. 0.64%. Made 72.56 on my money. So if I go over here to investments, go down here, guys, you see my new investment that I put through here on the weekend went through. Made $349 just today on it, off of $727, which is pretty good. But my big one here, 14,345.58. I made 69.07, and of course combined on that is 72.56, guys. So moving right along, I'm about $810, I believe, now to get to 16,000. And like I said in one of my previous videos, 16,000 means I'll be making $300 USD per week, all on autopilot, guys. So pretty excited about that. Yeah, so if you guys are just kind of stumbling upon S Group, what it is, it's a company that allows you to invest your money into various means here. We have the Forex market. There's a foreign exchange market, which allows you to trade currencies. It allows you to earn money off that. The computerized bot system does it automatically for you, so you don't have to worry about knowing much about Forex market and how they trade and they trade pairs and all that type of stuff. You don't have to know much about that, but that is one of the areas you can invest, Forex market. Next we got here is S Pharmaceutical, which is the medical cannabis field as well. With that, as you see, there's different areas you can invest, either full cycle, production, extraction, sale of products, and it tells you for each level how much you can invest. This is something you run for like a cycle. I believe it's like 3 or 6 months. You just leave it in there, and then after that, they pay you the money earned on that. SIPO, that's the stocks that the company does business with, and you can invest your money in that, and that happens automatically as well. Same thing as liquidity mining, guys. This is their token system. So yeah, basically everything with S Group is all done automatically, guys. So all you have to do is fund your account in any one of these 4 areas, and the system would automatically make money for you daily. When I started back in 2020, all they had was the Forex market, and that's all that was available until probably about maybe 6-8 months ago. And then they started expanding and doing all these other things. So when I started, of course, with the with the Forex market, guys, down below here, as you see the different tiers, I kind of started off low here to test out the system for a good maybe 2-3 weeks, and once I saw things were moving along, I slowly made my way up to the 5,000 level, which took me about 6 months. I funded about $4,000 in the system, 4,000 US, and at that time, over the 6 months, I made $1,000, so it got me up to 5,000, and so I'm just slowly moving up the ranks here, guys. I reached 10,000 January of this year, 2022. It's now July of 2022. So basically, guys, it took me 6 months to get to 15,000 just by leaving the money in there on autopilot. So that's pretty good. So by Christmas time, I should be around 20,000, and then on to 25,000, probably about maybe March, April, sometime around there of next year. So pretty excited about that, guys. So yeah, if you guys are just like stumbling upon S Group, it's a phenomenal system. It's a great way to earn money on your money. If you're thinking about joining, make sure you click on the link down below in the description box. You can join my team, become part of my team, and at that point, yeah, I'll walk you through everything, guys. Just shoot me a message. My email is in the description down below. And also, yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscription button down below, and you can be updated on all my progress and see if anything new is coming up. All right, guys, so that concludes my 5-minute daily review video. hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.